Well, YouTube, the plan today is to work on my brakes. Because I cannot put off working on my brakes anymore because my bike won't stop now. Won't stop now, y'all hear? You hear? I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm about to edit that out. I said an F word with less than 30 seconds into my video. It's like a record time for me, I think. So, I don't know if this is going to be an adjustment or a straight brake pad swap or what I'm doing, but I guess we'll find out together. Let me get this here brake pad out of here. Where's my nuts at? I can't find my nuts. What the hell? Oh, there they are. I'm looking at the wrong nuts. Or bolts, actually. Quit playing with your bolts. So, okay. No, sorry, I'm tilting and you can't see what I'm doing when I'm tilting. It's one of those fat guy things we tilt. God dang it, camera. Quit tilting. That wasn't me that time, that was the camera. You see I got a dingling participle in here. It's the only spoke I've broken in a while, so I'm just not going to mess with it. So I'm going to let it be broken in its broken happiness. Apparently it wanted to be an individual and be different from all the other spokes in the wheel. No, I can't see what I'm doing. Just going by feel here. It looks like it's ready to bounce off of there with the cable tension on this thing. So I'm hoping my front caliper's not screwed up, because my ride I did like 2 days ago, went to adjust the handlebar adjustment on my brake, and my caliper started clicking, like it wasn't grabbing the pads weren't grabbing. So I'm worried that the caliper went out. It's the new one I just got from Electric to replace the other one that quit working. So yeah, that's what I'm working with right now. There's a bit of pad left on there, I think. I don't know, that other one on the inside is getting, the actual pad closer to the outside of the wheel is getting worn out really bad. I may have to change this. Let me see if I can find my other pads. If I can get my pads out of here, if this backpack will open up for me. My zipper's kind of jacked up on this backpack, and there we go. Now I don't have very much room to search with. Shoot. Very carefully start pulling crap out of here. Both my bike pumps. I do carry water on me. See, there's a water bottle. Word of advice, always carry water on you. You need it. You may not think you need it, but you need it. Trust me. And my brake pads were supposed to be in this pocket so that I could easily find them, and I'm not easily finding them. What's this? Oh, there they are. They were in a pocket in the pocket. That's why I couldn't find them. Okay, never mind. Found my stuff. And you can see I got a spare tube in here. Random rogue zip tie that just fell out that I'm probably not going to put back in because I don't feel like reaching for it because I'm lazy. And this is not going easily. Bunk pump. Why bike pump? Why bike pump? Okay. I don't want to put this stuff in here. There's water in. Since the water is the thing I'm the least likely to use, it goes in first. This is not supposed to be this complicated. But as I've noticed from previous maintenance videos, my videos get complicated very fast. Okay. Oh, that whole side's like not closing now. That's great. That's awesome. Oh wait, that's just that one zipper. Let me see if this other zipper's still working. Shit. These little tendrils are pissing me off. This backpack, man, that blows. Did that just come off the track? Yes, it did. No, it didn't. Did it? No. So hopefully it doesn't come open anymore, and it probably will. Now I gotta go use some of my $24 and buy a new backpack. Hopefully they have the same one on there, because it was only a few bucks last time. I can afford it. Can't get what I want, can get what I can afford. See? Brake pads. Okay. So now I need my wire cutters and my needle nose. So I got to pull the cotter pin out with the needle nose, and then I got to cut the zip tie off the brake pad with the zip tie, the wire cutter. I thought I was just going to have to do this to the front wheel today. I mean, replace the pads on the front wheel, because I was pretty sure they were shot, but I guess I got to do the rear. Where's my needle nose? The journey to the needle nose to the great bag of tool woe. Oh woe, as where did the needle nose go? There we go, I found it. I woed for no reason. It was very easy to find them. I'm kind of tired. I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I know I'm lazy. It's like freaking 1:30 or something right now. It's the 21st of March, 2025, Saturday or Friday. I'm supposed to be in there editing videos to upload on Friday night, but working on my bike, because I felt okay enough to work on my bike. So that's what I'm doing. So that means I gotta, oh no, I don't gotta do anything else. I already took that off of there. Where's my brake caliper? Oh, there it is. You know, drug dealers must have really deft fingers, because they always got these little tiny Ziploc bags, and they're always having to open them and shit, and these are a pain in the ass. So kudos to their deft fingers. The ladies must love them. And their little drug dealer fingers. Alright, enough with that. No more drug talk. How am I supposed to get the zip tie off here? I can't even get the damn... Oh, I guess I'm cutting it off this way. That's how you do that. That's how you do that. Oh shit. Well, these things are not staying in their lane. There's one job to do. It's to stay in the bracket. Quit falling out of the bracket. Why are you falling out of the bracket constantly? Thank you. Some kind of bracket racket happening here. Alright. Let's do it this way so I can get a little more... No, I can't do it that way. I was going to try to get more slack, but oh well. So much for what I want. Alright, let me... I got to roll this back all the way and undo the cable. I am so shaggy today. You don't even know. That's why I'm telling you. I'm so shaggy. Like mostly hairless Chewbacca. It's like I found Sasquatch. He's kind of a lot bolder than I thought he was going to be. Okay, this is going to be a pain in the ass. I can already tell. Well, shit. I can't loosen up the... Let me just set it on there and see if I can't use that to lever this off of here. That's just been in my disc. I'm going to stop doing that. God damn it. Ah, that was way tighter than I thought I had the strength to do. Apparently, I'm a lot stronger than I thought I was. Alrighty then. Okay. Cotter pin. Can you come over here? I'm pin. Don't gotta come off of here now. This is one of them you gotta learn to run before you can walk type situations, because they really don't tell you how to do this shit. You just kind of gotta figure it out. There was no instructions that come with the brake pads. And these suckers don't want to bend back. Gotta get it close enough so I can squeeze this together. Gotta anaconda squeeze this together. What movie is that from? What wrestling movie from Mexico? Not that from Mexico, but with a very famous comedian / musician is that from? Anaconda squeeze. Let me know in the comment section. Shit. It's someone who also it's a famous comedian, actor, and musician who was gifted a Super 73 by Super 73 because he is not a millionaire and didn't need a free bike. That's why they gave it to him. Okay. Jealous much? Oh, I'm jealous all the time. Not much. It's like 24/7, 365, sometimes 366. I'm constantly jealous. Yeah, that's... I can still see that. The pad's like worn down really bad right there. Never really wears down in that direction. That's a new one for me. Of course, I'll save these pads because there's enough little bit of meat on that other inside pad that I might come in handy when I get really, really poor. Alright. Which I'm pretty much already there, so... I guess I'm going to use the new cotter pin that came with this one because it's like not as tweaked as the other one now. Well, you can still see what the hell I'm doing. I'm just putting the pads in. No, not those kind of pads, ladies. That's disgusting. It's not disgusting, it's nature. It is when you use it in a choke. Okay. And that's how easy it is to replace the pads on the mechanical disc brakes. Well, if the cotter pin's cooperating. That one wasn't really cooperating very much, so... You only really need to bend one of these. You don't need to bend both of them. It's not going to come out. It's just going to be kind of loose in there. Brake's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to try to bend it a little more, though, just because. Yeah, that's about as good as that's going to get. Okay. That's all I have energy for. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm good. Now I got to just, let me see where that's sitting in relation to the... You know what? I think that's good. I think I'm going to leave it like that. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I kind of feel like it. You know, there. Maybe a little bit. I need to turn it in a little bit. Probably couldn't see what I was doing, so I was leaned over. Seeing how to seat my caliper back on the frame to make sure that the pads are actually hitting the disc, which is the whole point of this. And if they don't, then it defeats the purpose, and then I defeat my purpose in life, and then I just want to die. Just kidding. Don't joke about suicide. It's not funny. Even though I just did, because I got mental problems, and we all know I have mental problems, so I'm always talking about all the medication I'm taking for my mental problems. I don't know. I don't think it's there yet. No, it's definitely not close enough yet. Okay. This nut is so worn out. That's what she said. Oh god. It's like, why are you playing with that one ball over and over again? Like, switch it up a little bit if you know it's worn out. Okay. Got weird freaking popular songs that ended up on YouTube shorts in my head. Because why not? Why the fuck not? I can't tell. This damn bolt on this thing is so worn out. It's my fault too. Because I was sticking a screwdriver through my spokes to turn the freaking adjustment bolt on this caliper because I didn't want to take the freaking wheel off because I was stupid and didn't realize you don't have to take the wheel off. You got to take the caliper off. My laziness got the better of me. Again. You know what? I'm going to bolt it on there and see because I can't tell if it's even close to where I need it to be. I'm going to bolt it on there and see because I can't tell whether or not it's close enough to where I want it to be. I'll start with the top one though so I can actually hold it in place a little bit here. Shit. Yeah, so like Elon Musk was supposed to be the hope of the future, taking us to Mars and into the future, and now he's only taking us back into racism and segregation. How's that happen? I'm not going to get into politics though, but just food for thought. I want to go to Mars, but I don't want anybody that doesn't look like me to go with me. They can go work there, that's about it. That's Elon Musk. Anyways. This might be a little difficult to get on here. I may have actually over-tightened this one a little. No, it's still pretty loose, actually. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to put the bolts back in the brake caliper here. I just kind of don't know if I'm getting them in there straight or not because I can't see what I'm doing. I'm doing it by feel. It's not always the best thing to do when you're working on a bike, but sometimes that's what you got to do. You can't see what the hell you are doing with your eyeballs. Again, I wish we had X-ray vision we could turn on and off, because then I could like look through the part I can't see through, and then I'd be able to see what I'm doing on the other side of it. But no, I could always put a mirror out here though, but that might just confuse me because I always have a problem with opposite reflectionary type shit. Like when I'm trying to like cut my hair or shave or some shit, and I'm trying to look at the mirror, it like confuses my hands because they're like, wait a minute, that doesn't feel right, and I cut in the wrong direction. You ever do that? Just try to adjust something on your face with a sharp object, and the mirror makes you do it in the wrong direction, and you're like, ow. And that happens to me a lot. Okay, this is like, fuck. Oh, okay, it was tight. I couldn't figure out why the hell it wouldn't move anywhere. It's like, duh. This is where it's supposed to be, stupid. Okay. Ow. Yeah, my inner voice calls me stupid a lot. Whatever. He doesn't get to go anywhere on his own. He has to follow me around all over the place, so I let him call me stupid. Like, oh my god, you do need help. Oh, shit. I'm going to tighten that down more. I just want to make sure that I have it in the right position first. That looks positioned properly. Now to the outside cable. Well, actually, no, I got to tighten these suckers down first, and then I can do the outside cable. That sounded kind of sexual. I don't know what the hell that was. It was like a moan of pain that had, like, not pain mixed in with it. Yeah, I get off on working on my bike. You can't help it. It's just something. It's just what I'm about, working on my bike. See, I think of all the fun I'm going to have being able to stop. Oh, shit. Okay. Get in the hole. There we go. Alright. I always do this awkwardly. Oh yeah, that's going to stop me. I'm just going to make sure that I have some slack. That feels like slack. Trick with cables. With the cables, the trick is you want to loosen that bolt up, but you don't want to loosen it too much because it's a pain in the ass trying to thread it really far back when you're trying to actually hold the cable in place. But yeah, there we go. That'll stop me. You're going to stop good from now on. Oh yeah, it's going to be so good you don't even know. You'll know when you watch my video and you see me stop and go, oh my god, I can stop now. It was so good. Now you know. Ah. Alright. On to the front tire. We're off to the Shire to fix the front tire. You see, I can even rhyme. Alright. Where's my... Oh, it's in my hand. I'm like, what happened to my Allen wrench? It's like, it's in your hand, dipshit. My inner voice also calls me dipshit. And there's a litany of other names. Because, like I said, he doesn't get to go anywhere unless I go somewhere. And I'm boring. I don't go anywhere. So he's like really bored. It's like being in a hateful relationship. My inner voice is bored and doesn't get to go anywhere and is constantly complaining and calling me names. Okay. Oh man, that's so wobbly. That's probably not a good thing. Why did I sit down? I gotta fucking look at the... I can't even get the brake pads. Oh yeah, those are worn the fuck down. Damn! Let me see what happens here. Let me see what I have to do. Where'd that go? Oh well, I don't know where something went. I done lost something. Other than most of my mind. Where did you get? Okay, let's do this now. Oh, gotta loosen up the cable first. Actually, I don't know if I need to loosen. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to loosen the cable because I gotta adjust the posizione. Oh, hey, Cheeky, of the cable too. Cheeky the cat has made an appearance. Let me tilt you guys back up so you know what the hell I'm doing. I forgot I'm working at a different angle now, level. Cheeky, get out there. Don't go in the garage. Come on, come here. Come on, don't go in the garage. Don't go in the garage. It's dangerous in there. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, thank you. He listens to me. He listens. He doesn't let you pet him, but he lets you feed him. He's like, oh, you can give me all the food you want. You just can't show me any love, really, because it'll bite the crap out of you. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. So much excess cable. Still probably can't see what the hell I'm doing. What the hell is that bar doing? I don't know. He's like trying to take a thing out of a thing and he's not letting us see. He's just describing it to us and I'm confused. It's like, is he discussing bike maintenance or a sexual encounter? I'm really confused. Oh, this one is really like crooked or something. What the hell? My bolt is stuck. That's what I said. The bottom one's coming out okay, but that top one's like, I don't want to leave. I'm happy where I am. Some of you could see the physical size of me and some of these voices coming out of you. You'd be freaking out right now. Like, what the hell is wrong with that man's vocal cords? Come out of there. I'm just distracting myself from my depression. Shouldn't joke about depression either, but like, what the fuck? I'm trying to be funny and my camera reset in the middle of it, so hopefully you got some of that. You can tell the funny went away when I got angry because my camera reset. Because this camera resets every 22 minutes. And I can't turn it off. The function, it's built into the function. It's some kind of video quality thing, which doesn't really make sense because the video quality is not that great in the first place. It's got an overinflated sense of self. It's like, oh, I'm amazing video quality. I have to pause every so often to just like let the vapors go and recapture the quality of the video. But no, you suck in the first place. You suck afterwards too. Well, that's mean. This bolt seems to be stuck in the damn frame. What the fuck did I do? And this thread lock is working great. Jesus. Okay, there we go. Oops, I lost my bird. Oh my god, it's over there and it can barely reach because I'm fat. And then there goes that. No. That's not how that's supposed to be, I'm pretty sure. Well, whatever, as long as it doesn't start popping out of the hand part. It looks like I just have to adjust this one, but you know what? Again, I'm gonna put my pads in there. They tend to last longer. I'm just gonna put mine in there because I want pads that actually last a while. But when it be Twix time, I'm gonna readjust. I'm gonna hold it up here that way I don't have to keep tilting the camera. Hopefully this fixes you, brake caliper, and I don't have to completely replace you, especially seeing as how you're not even like 2 months old. Hello, Mom. I'm recording, just letting you know. Saying all kinds of weird stuff to my audience. Huh? Yeah, well, I just talked to myself, but now I talk to other people. I'm improving. Okay. From the health department? Is it one of those IEHP envelopes? Look at this cotter pin, guys. How the hell am I supposed to get that loose? It's like they put it on there and then cut it off. What the hell? Need a little bit of room to work on these things, guys. I'm not even able to get that out of there. There we go. Well, these are Tektro pads too. They kind of let me down. They didn't last as long as I thought they were going to. I'm about to buy some of these now. I have to go order a new backpack. I got like $21 on my Amazon balance. My zipper broke. One of my zippers broke just now. Like it was already starting to go, but it went the rest of the way. Mom. That's why I'm talking loud, because, like, you know. So I got to go on Amazon and see if I can find the listing for my purchases from like 3 years ago, and see if I can't find this backpack again, because it was super inexpensive and affordable on the no budget I have. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. I didn't have it tilted. They fit. So if you, just in case you want to know, these are the brand I use. It's called Zonon. Those are my brake pads I always use. They work really well, and they're very inexpensive, and they're on Amazon. They're made in China, obviously, because that's where all the good stuff comes from. It used to be Japan, now it's China. You're like, no, USA has the best stuff. I was like, really? Why is it so expensive and always breaks more? It's not the best stuff. All right. Let's do this. Okay, they didn't make this cotter pin very easy to do. They got the two ends too close together. And it just popped out. It's great. It's usually a good sign that the cotter pin doesn't want to be where it's supposed to be. Wait a minute, am I doing this the right way? I definitely want the cotter pin pointy part facing out. I don't want it facing towards the inside of the wheel where it can get stuck on the disc or anything, but yeah, if I put it the other way, it's going to hit the disc. It's got to go this way. I'm trying to get the cotter pin in. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting the camera's like pointing down. Even though I have it aimed up. What the hell? Shit. They didn't make this cotter pin right. It doesn't have enough room for me to grab it with the damn pliers. Screw it, let's bend the whole thing. See, they'll let me bend the whole thing. At least get it started. Well, I'm struggling, Mom. I'm struggling. They have these cotter pins you're supposed to hold the brake pads in with, and they didn't put enough extension past the other short part of the cotter pin, and I can't bend it. I can't bend it. It's really frustrating me. I'm super angry. I'm not gonna get up and start breaking stuff like an ape or something, but you know. Like, oh my god, give me a club. Oh my god, what? Sorry. I keep having to bend over and pick stuff up. Yeah. Okay.
In the dish rack. It goes like behind where I stack all the silver dishes.
All right. Got it.
Nobody else is supposed to put stuff in because that's the cat area.
Yeah. All right, cotter pins in. Okay. Oh, I gotta adjust that now. With the Parkway? Oh, where? That's the Parkway? Oh. I think you're just making stuff up now to be funny. Yeah. Yeah. I know you know. You know. I know. Oh, God. I'm probably not going for a ride today, Mom. My chest is messed up. I managed to get out here right after I woke up and... Mom? Okay. Alright. Huh? No, I saw Cheeky. He tried to go in the garage, and I was like, nah, and he looked at me and he walked out. Oh. Maybe he felt unwanted. He was like, well, you don't want me here. I'm going to eat all the food in the front. Hmm. 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 It's rubbing a little bit. I'm gonna let it rub a little bit. All right. Yeah, you told me. You told me, man. Shit. Crap. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this cable, but it's not working right. What is... I'm getting frustrated. Oh, I thought it was mellow. There we go. Fixed it. Wire bead on this tire is a little messed up, but I don't feel like screwing with it. Huh? Yeah, well, I can't do it. I thought you were paying the person across the street. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Trust me, I wish I could mow, but man. This is like the only level of maintenance I can do on anything anymore, this damn bike. It's just I'm sitting down. Are you talking to me or the cats? Talking to elves? I'm really confused. Okay. Screw it, I don't even care about that pocket anymore. I gotta go order a new backpack and hope it gets here by tomorrow. Well, I don't need the ride. I've got so many videos to edit, so I'm not even worried about that. Not even worried about that. So I'm gonna need new brake pads soon, and I gotta buy a backpack now. Shit. Because this backpack is shot. I gotta get this back in the house without the backpack falling open on me. How much was it? So why did you buy that instead of... Yeah, but why did you do that instead of getting money for the water heater? I thought we needed to fix the water heater.
I have money for the water heater.
I thought you didn't, because you only want to give somebody $100.
I don't want to give somebody $250.
Well, they're not going to do it for less, Mom.
The other guy was two guys.
Yeah, but he didn't even know what the hell he was doing, Mom. He heard money and said, ooh. Huh? No, I said I might be able to figure it out. I didn't say I would. I said I have some tools. I said, let me go look and see if I can figure it out. I never said I could do it, Mom. You keep putting words into my mouth. Yeah, but the videos I saw said you need a pump for it. Okay, well then show me those videos. Show me those videos. I didn't find any that didn't say I didn't need a pump. I looked it up. It was the same brand water heater too. And it was a video from like 5 years ago. Okay, Mom, that's great. I haven't seen those videos. I just said I haven't seen those videos. Repeatedly. Why is that not working for shit? God damn it. Fuck, I'm not done yet. I want to be done, but the inside caliper's not done. It's not squeezing on anything. My rear brake's not close enough. Oh, fuck, I can't even get the wheel up. Oh, shit. Fuck. I'm not done. You guys are still on, right? Okay. Son of a bitch, I gotta take this whole fucking thing off again. No, you know what? I'm gonna just try to... I don't know what I'm gonna do. Damn it. I thought I was done. Oh well, that's what I get for thinking non-critically. Alright, let's try this again. The pad is like nowhere near the flipping. Oh, shit. Let me see if I can just push the caliper over. Shit. Sorry guys, I thought I was done. Damn it. Let's try to push the caliper over and then adjust it on the cable side. It'll be easier than trying to. Yeah, I wasn't grabbing it all. When I went to flip the bike back over, I had to squeeze the brake extra hard to get the bike to stand up on end. Yeah, it's almost just about hitting the disc now, or hitting the brake pad now, so I think I fixed it. But I do need to, I have to readjust the front, the actual cable now, because it's further away, that pad's further away from the disc now since I moved the caliper over. That's the thing to know about these. If you are having trouble lining it up, you just loosen up these two bolts and you can move the caliper around. Like if you want to get that last little bit of extra pad usage, you can just move the caliper over a little bit either direction and there you go. Oh, turning out the wrong way. I still don't know how this rear cable got all bent all to hell. It's like it's got a crook in it, and I have no idea how it got there. Okay, there we go. That should fix that problem. I see why I don't like getting flat tires when I'm out and about, because it's like hard for me to find somewhere to sit down and work on my bike that I can physically. I mean, normal people could sit on a curb, but I'm like not a normal sized person, so I need like at least a couple feet off the ground, or at least a foot off the ground, something to sit on, because I have to be able to get back up. And when you're fat and you're sitting down with your legs bunched up for like a freaking half hour or hour, depending how long it takes you to fix a flat tire, your legs don't want to work when you go to stand up. It's not fun. I have lost a lot of weight, so that's helping. Oh yeah, there we go. My brakes at work now. Oh, my rear battery is super loose here. I guess maybe the zip tie stretched a little bit. Oh, shoot, it's not good. I'll put this away. Oh wait, I'm not done. I gotta put my tools away. Shit. Heck is. Well, this video is over 40 minutes because the camera just reset again. This is my activity for the day, though. I'm not doing anything else today. I'm not going for a ride. I don't. Unless I start feeling better when I get in there, then maybe It's kind of warm out here though. It's like in the 70s, and but it's like that's perfect temperature. It's like for me, it's warm. I overheat really easy. I overheat really easy. Yeah, there we go. Camera. Harness straps are all over the place today. Okay. So I'll go ahead and put this bike away, but I won't plug it in the hopes that maybe I can come out and do a ride later. Shit. Slamming my camera into my brake lever. It's never a good thing. Seem to be having some maneuverability issues here. Oh, wait a minute. I can't go for a ride. I don't have a backpack. Fuck. God damn it. Unless I guess I'm going to have to take everything out of the one pocket and put it in the back of the backpack, which is going to make my back super uncomfortable because the one drawback to this backpack is there's no inside padding. So, yeah. And the fact the zipper broke, that's the other drawback. Hey, Mom. I'm going inside. Oh, my shit's falling out of my backpack. Oh, my God. I just broke my damn bike pump. No. Oh, Larry, that was stupid. Why did you pick it up like that? Mom, I'm having a backpack catastrophe right now. A bunch of my stuff fell out because I forgot the zipper was broken for some stupid... a bunch of stuff fell out of my backpack and my pump almost broke. So, with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.